Welcome back. Okay, painting number 3. I'm doing the same thing again with the drip offs, the previous one. I'll just use those as a base for this one. Since there's plenty of paint on the table, it seems like a good idea. And since I'll be using similar colors again. Okay, now the paint is coming off the table. The dried paint, yep, see? Went on for too long, oopsie. And there's a tiny hair as well. Is it an eyelash or a bristle? Who knows? Who knows? Who cares? But I do care about these little thingies because I don't want it to dry up really rough. Well, that'll have to do. Oh yes, these canvases are thinner than the other ones. I mean, less thick, so thinner. So they're not as high up from the table as the other ones. There are some little things left here, but I do hope that they won't affect too much. Okay. All right. Let's do this again. Ooh, I love this sort of rainbow and blue. Okay, so let's put this previous cup upside down on the table again. I don't have as much, I don't have a lot of phthalo blue left. So I wonder what this will be. I thought the previous ones I used Prussian blue and turquoise blue, turquoise green, phthalo turquoise I think, and manganese blue and silver and metallic turquoise. But now I thought, when I saw the previous one, I thought, hey, maybe I can add some metallic green. It's a light green, and perhaps even some Payne's Grey. I think it might be nice. So let's see if I'm right about that. I'm gonna put a little bit of the manganese blue on for a base because I didn't have as much left. And I do want it to be able to flow off easily. Ooh, okay, done. All those tiny little beautiful details always make me so happy. And when I go to bed after an evening of painting and I close my eyes, I always see all those beautiful color combinations and patterns and cells that I've made, and it's just, oh, a good thing to fall asleep to. Kind of like this too, by the way. That's pretty nice in its own right, but I'm not going to leave it at that, no. Because I know that it would dry much more dull probably than it looks now. Ooh. Oh, you can't see the correct color. It's nice. It's bluish. Did my nail go through already again? Wow. It's not even that long. Okay, what shall we do? I do think I'll make a separate cup again, because then I can split this in 2 portions. I'm not used to having my phone on this side, the camera on this side. Keep leaning into it. Let's start with a little bit of white. And then some Payne's Gray. I'm curious to see what those will do together. And then some metallic turquoise. So I think that'll be cool. Brushing. This is gonna be more silver. Let's make this flip cup a bit smaller than the other one, a bit less paint in it, because the last one I still had way too much. Then again, okay, and then now some metallic green. Top it off with watermelon. I'll top it off. I'm not done yet, but do I want copper in here? Don't think so. But what do I want? Something lighter. I'm thinking about adding this fluorescent green. Let's just go for it. Okay. Right then. It's in. Fluorescent green. What do you put on top of fluorescent green? Something dark, something light. Silver? Silver. More metallic, there's a lot of metallics in here. And oh, oops. Wow. Okay. I'm just gonna top it off with the rest of this phthalo, and then we'll see what happens. I feel like there's not enough blue in it now, maybe. So maybe I'll just get my phthalo blue in a bottle and squirt a bit of that through. Where is it? There you are. There. It should do, don't you think? Let's wipe this copper off the face of the earth. I mean face of the canvas, earth, where this paint will live, as Bob Ross might say. Oops. The table is a bit slippery. Okay, so what do you think? What do you think? I think it might be nice. Shall we see if it is? I want a bit more dark still. Payne's grey. Which way am I going to? A lot of silver and Payne's grey over here. See, there's not so much blue this time. But I don't know, it might still turn out nice. We will see. I just filled my torch. Don't know if it's ready for me to use it yet. Let's see. Ooh. Let's keep it up high. Clearly it's full again and on full blast. Woo. But it's working, so good. Okay, wow, this is interesting. It's cool, the Payne's grey and the silver make silver grey, which is very surprising, not. There's only a little bit of the green here. Oh, this is an interesting one. Cool. Yeah, I do think I like it. Because the green stretched up nicely. And there is some real cool stuff going on with the Payne's grey, which is nice and dark under here. Because I let the paint flow over it again in a ribbon. I'm afraid to. Here. I'm afraid to hold my finger over it because it might drip. And the silver is putting a nice sheen over it, but the turquoise, metallic turquoise is also present. Oh, I like it. Completely different from the other ones I just did, but that's okay. Alright then, I'm on a roll tonight. I'm wiping my hands on a roll. Sometimes it's just way more efficient than using one single. You can just take it off and use the other side as well. Okay. And I love the metallic green which is coming through here. It looks like a light turquoise greenish color. Oh yes, keep it up high, high. Lots of bubbles being popped. How forceful my torch sounds again. Full blast. Alright, okay, cool. this one definitely has way less phthalo blue in it, but I kind of like it because the phthalo blue that is here stands out, really pops now. And there's plenty of cool stuff going on. I'm happy I added the fluorescent green, which looks a bit like yellow here. Yep, I love it. And the Payne's grey with the silver here almost looks purple, where it feathers out into the silver. Bit of a close-up, but there's quite a bit of glare going on. My hands are too dirty to really show you, and I don't want to ruin the whole thing by tilting it again. There, we are done. Cool. Oh. Alright, that's the third one. Thank you for watching again. See? Ooh. Pretty.